everyone, my name is Jenna. Once upon a time there lived a young man near the foot of the Diamond Mountain. His job was to cut fires and sell to the neighbors. He was too tall to get married. One day he saw a terrific young deer running towards him. When he reached it, he became happy for he was in great danger. He beat his diary, hid it under the pile of fire. When the hunter was chasing after his passive, the young deer came up and thanked the woodcutter for his kindness. The deer told him to go up the Diamond Mountain tomorrow afternoon before 10 o'clock and to hide himself, which is by the lake. The next morning he went to the mountain and hid himself. Suddenly, in a corner of the sky, the clouds began to sparkle. 8 happiness maidens floating down to rainbows, and they hung their happiness clothes and pink trees and bed. The young man stole one of the maidens' clothes. The youngest maiden could not find the clothes when the other could not wait for her, so they climbed back up the rainbow to the sky and left her behind. Thank you for listening to my speech.